Can we log into Telegram account with email? So if you want to log into your Telegram account with email, then let me tell you that it's possible or not. So open up your Telegram at first. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. Go with start messaging, which will be in the bottom. Now, as you can see, you will have this kind of interface. Now, if you go with the phone number, or if you tap on your phone number or your country section, then you won't be able to shift that to email because there is no such option as email login. You need to enter your country code and then your phone number. After that, go with the arrow, which will be on the right side. And now if you have entered any password, you need to just simply go and enter your password. Once done, go with the arrow again, which will be on the right side. And as you can see that you've been logged into your account. So there's no such thing as email login on your Telegram. You need to log in with your phone number. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.